I'm currently here at Paro for my last 2 nights here in Bhutan. And I'm here to give you some tips in case you want to visit this wonderful kingdom. Bring comfortable clothes depending on the season. If you're going in summer, then make sure that it's comfortable and it's cool. And if you're going in spring or autumn or in winter, make sure you have several layers with you. But one thing you have to make sure is your dress and clothes should be very respectful. Make sure that you bring clothes that will cover your skin because you're gonna be going inside a lot of sacred places like temples and zongs, and usually they have a dress code. It is required to wear long pants and clothes that are respectful. It's very important to wear comfortable shoes because you're gonna do a lot of walking, a lot of hiking, and when you enter temples, you're gonna have to remove your shoes. So if you have shoes that are very difficult to put on and to take off, then it's gonna be very annoying and uncomfortable. Right now, it's the month of October and it's autumn season. So what I found is that my eyes get dry easily. So if you're coming here in this season, make sure you have some eye drops with you so that your eyes won't get dry. So make sure you slow down and enjoy the nature and just wow, everything here is so beautiful. The mountains, the valleys, the fresh air, and everything. So make sure you wear sunscreen. So even though the temperature is low and a bit cold and chilly at night, the sun really burns your skin a lot. I don't know why. On my second day, I missed putting on sunscreen and I got sunburned badly at the back of my neck and also in my nose and my forehead. So always wear sunscreen whenever you are exploring here in Bhutan. Remember, you only have one skin. Wow, the sun is really scorching. I already have a sunburn after 2 days here because I forgot to apply sunblock yesterday. The sun is peeking through and the sun here in Bhutan, it really burns your skin. So even if the temperature is low, the sun burns the skin. And it's my 6th day here in Bhutan and I already have sunburn. My skin is already peeling, the skin on my forehead and my nose, and I think the back of my neck. Make sure you bring your shades because when you explore, there's a lot of sun and the shades are gonna protect your eyes from the harmful rays of the sun. If you're not used into long drives with a lot of zigzags and meandering roads, make sure that you bring meds for you to avoid being car sick. Especially the route from Paro to Thimphu, it's really very dizzying. You might just want to have a pill to avoid car sickness. If and when possible, ask your guide if you can interact with the locals. Some of my most enjoyable and most memorable experiences here were interacting with the locals and also with the nuns at the monastery. So I also had a few interactions with local people living here. And I also had interactions with restaurant owners, asking them how they've been, how the pandemic hit them. And they really had a lot of touching stories, how they survived and how they're trying to put their lives back together. And lastly, if ever you come here in Bhutan, bring an open mind. So listen to their stories, enjoy their nature, and learn more about your culture. It's gonna be a marvelous experience.